Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay, fourth one, I can take role search permission. Okay, fifth one, I will take view user permission. Okay, so if you are a super admin, so mainly you will be having 5 permission tools, that is, permission group permission, role-based permission access role, search permission view user permission. Okay, now again I will go back into my system. You can see permission, group permission role and user role. Search view, user permission. It is view user role search. Okay, user role search permission. Okay, so total 5 permissions will be there. Now you can see here managed role-based permission. The first permission. So what is the use of this permission? So the use of this permission is that, if you are a super admin and, if you have added a new user in your team. Okay, and if you have created a new user and now you want to give the RDP permission to that new user, how you will give the permission with the help of this tool, managed role-based permission. Okay, now you can see, for me it is not accessible. This is not clickable, right? Okay, so although I am an admin, but I don't have the access. So if I want to go to the SF admin and I will show you. I will go to the proxy now. I will go to the SF admin. Can you see? I am taking this SF admin. Okay, in the real time also, you will be having some SF admin. If you don't have it, if you don't have a full access, some of your colleagues will be having that access. Okay, so you can proxy it, you can check it. Now, after proxying to this SF admin, you can see I am into the proxy of SF admin. Okay, now, from the account of SF admin, I will go to the admin center. I will go to the See All. Okay, and I will scroll down. Now you can see as a SF admin. I can see that access is there. Managed role-based permission access. Can you see here? Yeah. Okay, so for me only these access was there. Permission goal. You use the permission and this access was not there. Okay, what is the benefit of this access? So, to show you the benefit of this access, what I will do, I will proxy to a user to whom I am hired newly. Okay, I hired a person newly, that is by name. I will proxy to this user and I will show you what is the current access for this user. I will go to the admin center. Okay, and I will go to the tools. I will click on See All. And I will scroll down to set user permission. Can you see here? Set user permission. It's not having any permission right. Suppose he is a new person in our team and we want to grant him the equal permission. RDP is enabled from provisioning, so that is the reason this is visible. But tools are not visible. I will give the permission. I will again proxy to the super admin. If you have an access to the super admin, if you are already a super admin from your place also, you can able to give. Okay, so I will go to super admin. And I will go to the admin center. So that is the reason I shown you the comparison by proxying. Now I am proxying to admin. Okay, and I will go to the admin center. So every time it is not required to go to the admin center first of all. Because that also I just want to show you. Either you can go to admin center if you have the super admin access. You can go to manage role based. You can see it will come here. Okay, you can click on the role based permission access. So now when you go into the page, you can see the page include first name, last name. Allow access to this page. The one column is there. Role-based permission admin. To an access. Okay, so now I want to give the permission to give the access to that particular new user. I will click on Add User. You can see it is showing here. I will click on this and grant the permission. Okay, now when I will go to the maximum page, you can see permission successfully granted. When I scroll down, edit and view, access is being given. I am not giving the access to this page. So I have given this permission. Okay, edit and view how I will go and check that I will proxy. Earlier when I have proxied, then he was not having the access to the tool. Okay, now again I will go to the admin center. Okay, and again I will go to the tools here. And I will scroll down. Now you can see. All tools are reflected. Excluding that access tool, because we have not checked that checkbox. Okay, so in this way, in a real time, if you are an admin and if a new member joins to you or if customer says that, give the permissions to this new user. What is the admin's RDP permission so that he can able to access the RDP? So in this way, You need to add that user. Got it. In case in the admin center, while proxying to that user, if these all things are showing as a blank, nothing is there, then how to add? In this way we can able to add it. Okay, any questions here? No. Now what I will do? I will again go to the SF admin and I will remove it. Whatever setup you are doing, don't keep it like that. Okay, because you are doing some checking and you are testing it right. After you are showing that testing is successful, just try to remove it. So I went again here. Manage role-based. Permission access. And there last you have a delete icon. Is that right? Don't delete any other. Okay. You should be sure about it. So, because we don't have any save option, when you are creating it by default, it will be get saved. So that is done from our end. Okay, this is the importance of this tool. Manage role-based permission access. Giving the positions to in the RDP when the user can able to view all the 5 configuration tools. Okay, permission. Group role, this one, and user role, search and view user permission. Any questions here? No. Now. Before going. So now, if you are implementation consultant, then you will be. The process is you have to create a permission group, then you have to set up the permission. Okay, so before creating a permission group, I will show you what is the permission role and how we are setting up the permission. Then we will go and see the permission. Okay. So for that, when you go into the admin center under set user permission, you can see these options are showing right. When you have given the permission. Correct. So once you click on the permission role tab. Okay.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.